Is Title 42 back at the border. So a federal judge in Louisiana will hear some arguments in the case against Title 42 tomorrow. 3 states, Louisiana, Arizona, Missouri, say Title 42 should stay in place until there is some plan, a comprehensive immigration reform plan that commits to securing the border and stopping the surge of migrants. The COVID-era order, Title 42, allows for the deportation of migrants due to pandemic concerns. It expires 11 days from now. And joining us tonight is Sheriff Mark Lamb. He's from Pinal County, Arizona, to talk more about it. Sheriff, always good to have you on the program. Thank you for coming back. Describe what you're seeing right now at the border with the crossings lately in the last couple days, weeks.
Oh, it's a complete disaster. I mean, I think we had 3 pursuits yesterday alone. Our guys go out in the desert. We continue to find people trying to come through the desert, trafficking humans, trafficking drugs. And look, I'm not even right on the border. I'm 50 miles off the border. But the I-10, we can go out and pull traffic stops all night long, and we will find load vehicle after load vehicle. It's a complete disaster.
If Title 42 lifts, manpower-wise, what steps are you and your department taking to prepare for that kind of surge?
Yeah, we're going to meet with the federal government tomorrow. Some of our counterparts at Border Patrol, we're going to start to put a plan together. It would be disastrous, first and foremost, if they did take it away. And it's sad that we're even talking about Title 42. We should be talking about Title 8, which is what's supposed to be used. We're supposed to be using to hold people accountable for coming into this country illegally. But this is going to be a complete drain on all of our resources, not just Border Patrol and CBP, but on all the sheriffs and all the local agencies that are going to have to deal with the aftermath of the human trafficking and the drug trafficking, especially fentanyl, into our communities.
Yeah, I want to address one thing, which is the processing of some of the migrants and the immigrants who are coming across. They're trying to follow the rules, do things the right way. We had one of our correspondents, Sheriff, out in Florida, talking to people who had been in line for 2 to 3 days, spending the night in sleeping bags outside some of these immigration offices. They're coming from Haiti, Cuba, Venezuela. Brian Enton talked to one woman who had an ankle bracelet on. She got that ankle bracelet in Arizona. She's in Florida now trying to get it removed, and she was waiting in those long lines. Talk about the process and some of the challenges that you all are facing when people are trying to come through, follow the rules, do it the right way, and the backlog of the process.
Well, this administration has completely jacked up the process. And because they jacked up the process, it makes the asylum claims for these people who have legitimate asylum claims almost impossible to deal with. This is what you see. What you're seeing on your video right now is what we can look forward to as Americans. It's only going to get worse. And what we've done is, because of these weak border policies, we failed to secure our border. Not only are we giving the cartel more money, creating more clients for them, we're also putting a lot of human beings at risk who are trying to come into this country. They don't understand the risks that are involved with it. The women are being raped, children being used as pawns, and the men are being extorted and forced to carry drugs into this country. And we as Americans are allowing this to happen on our watch under the name of politics, and it's sad to watch.
Well, Sheriff Mark Lamb, we appreciate you coming on, helping us highlight this continued issue. It is a crisis, and that's one thing that everybody agrees on. How to fix it, not so easy. Good to see you. Thank you.
Good to see you, too. Thank you. God bless.
Thanks for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.